Hello, Sean. I'm going to ask you 25 questions about your favorite things. Please do your best to answer the questions. Let's get started. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
What's your favorite food?
Cucumbers.
What's your favorite animal?
Cats.
What's your favorite TV show?
I don't have one.
What's your favorite book?
It is Diary of the Wimpy Kid.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is the Super Mario movie that it just came out.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is Brawl Stars.
What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy, it's Pokemon toy thingy. I got it for Children's Day.
What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is play video games.
What's your favorite type of snack?
My favorite type of snack, it is the Butterfingers.
What's your favorite type of drink?
My favorite type of drink is cider.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
My favorite type of dessert is chocolate.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather when it's snowing.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Children's Day.
What's your favorite sport to play?
My favorite sport to play, baseball.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
My favorite sport to watch, I don't watch any sports.
What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
My favorite flavor of ice cream, mint chocolate.
What's your favorite fruit?
The little oranges, little tiny oranges.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is cucumbers.
What's your favorite thing to do with your dad?
Watch TV.
What's your favorite thing to do with your mom?
Play games.
Who's your favorite family member?
My mom.
What's your favorite thing about school?
My favorite thing about school, it is lunch.
Who's your favorite superhero?
It's Dr. Strange.
Thank you for sharing your answers.